Intro: imagine this. You're cranking out shorts every single morning. The views are stacking up like Jenga blocks. Yet your AdSense sits at $4.37, barely enough to buy a cup of coffee at the gas station. Today, we're fixing that. In the next 6 minutes, I'm giving you the Real Talk 2025 game plan to turn those looping clips into rent-paying cash. No hype, no recycled guru slides, just the moves that pay. This is the real deal, straight from my trenches and my analytics. So let's get into it. Section 1: The 2025 Monetization Reality Check. First things first. Let's talk dollars, because nobody wakes up excited about pennies. Ad money from shorts alone won't cut it. We're after real financial flow. You need 1,000 subs and 10 million public views in 90 days just to unlock the partner program. And after YouTube's 45% cut, you're looking at maybe $5 or $6 per 1,000 views. It sounds rough, only if you stop there. Once you're inside YPP, you open the buffet. Super thanks, memberships, brand deals, affiliate links, merch. Stack them together in shorts. Stop being a tip jar and start acting like a funnel. Now I know what you're thinking. Why would someone spend 4 hours on a 60-second video? Well, imagine flipping a switch that turns on the money printer. We're talking serious cash flow even while you sleep. That's the power of the 10M short sprint. Sure, it takes time, but with the right strategy, you could be raking in the dough. Just remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Section 2. Pick the niche that prints views and subs. Listen up. Don't waste time chasing the latest TikTok trend, because by the time you hop on it, it'll be old news. Instead, find a lane with endless snack-size angles, health hacks, budget travel, AI shortcuts, weird history nuggets, creator gear reviews, anything you can slice into 30 to 60-second hits. Here's the playbook. Grab 10 competitors, jot down their top 5 shorts, then one-up them. Tighter hook, cleaner edit, bolder thumbnail. Do that daily for a month, and the algorithm starts treating you like its favorite caffeine dealer. Just remember to stay focused and don't get distracted by shiny objects. If you stick to your lane, you'll build a loyal audience that keeps coming back for more. Section 3. The 10 million view sprint plan. Now let's talk numbers. 10 million feels like Mount Doom until you do the math. 3 shorts a day means each one needs 37K views to hit the target in 90 days. That is steady, not viral. But here's how to get there. Shoot vertical, open with a pattern interrupt, deliver the payoff by the 5-second mark, tease the next clip in the last frame. Caption every clip so the mute crowd still gets the joke. Batch on Sunday, schedule the week, and never ghost the upload button. YouTube rewards reliability like a vending machine rewards quarters. To keep your momentum going, make sure to stay focused and track your progress. With a little discipline, you'll be well on your way to crushing your goals. Section 4. Subscriber growth on autopilot. Views without subs is like applause in an empty theater. You want people actually hitting that subscribe button so they don't miss out on your future awesomeness. Here's how to make it happen. Pin a comment asking folks to subscribe for part 2 tomorrow. Flash a half-second subscribe sticker at the end that nerds swear it lifts conversions by double digits. Once a week, drop a long-form deep dive on the same topic. YouTube will auto-suggest it to Shorts viewers, and those 1,000 subs roll in like Uber Eats. Section 5. Unlocking fan funding early. Can't wait for the big gates. Unlock super thanks and memberships earlier with these targets. 500 subs plus 3 million shorts views in 90 days or 3,000 long-form watch hours. That unlocks super thanks and memberships. Even at 500 subs, a $2.99 tier with a custom emoji can net a couple hundred a month if you plug it in the description, like at SAVIP Backstage Pass. Hey, quick question. Have you ever struggled with growing your social media presence? Do you feel like you're reposting the right content, but it is just not getting the engagement you want? Don't worry, you're not alone. It's a common struggle for many creators like you. But what if I told you there was a solution? A done-for-you social media growth service designed to help you reach your goals faster and easier. With our service, you'll never have to worry about creating the perfect post or trying to figure out the best hashtags again. Our team of experts will handle everything for you so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Plus, our pricing is totally transparent. You only pay for the followers you get, so why wait? Invest in your social media presence today and watch your followers grow with our done-for-you service. Visit our website to learn more and sign up today. Section 6. Brand deals and sponsorships from your phone. Here's the thing. YouTube slipped a brand connect button into Studio, but you need 4K subs to see it. After that, DM brands yourself. I pulled 200K views per short in the AI tools niche. Let Escalab. Mid-tier CPM is land $500 to $2,000 per 60-second mention. Keep the ad inside the first 3 seconds. Then pivot straight back to value viewers. Mind if the product solves the exact itch you just scratched. For example, if you're talking about productivity tools and you mention a specific app, viewers are more likely to stick around if they know that you show them how to use it effectively. Just remember to disclose any sponsorships according to FTC guidelines and you're all set. Section 7. Affiliate marketing without the spam. Want a slice of the affiliate pie? Here's your ticket. Choose one hero product that fits every clip you post. If your niche is budget travel, grab an eSIM affiliate. Drop the code verbally and in the pinned comment. 1% conversion on 500k views equals a healthy 4-figure bump. Swap products every quarter so folks don't get banner blindness. It's a win-win. Solve a pain point and bank some extra cash with zero lift on your end. Section 8. Merch and beyond. If you hit 10k loyal subs, drop a sticker or inside joke tee. YouTube's merch shelf keeps viewers inside the app. Margins are slim, but every hoodie is a walking billboard. Plus, superfans love repping the tribe. Section 9. The 90-day action calendar. Here's your game plan in weeks 1 to 4. Daily shorts. Lock the niche. Aim for 3k views a pop. Weeks 5 to 8. Double down on winners. Add weekly long form. Sprint toward 500 subs and 3M views. Weeks 9 to 12. Gun for 1k subs and 10M views. Flip on memberships. Apply for YPP. Pitch your first sponsor. Skip an upload and the algo spanks you, so don't. Section 10. Common killers that reset your progress. Stay sharp. Steer clear of copyrighted music, recycled TikToks you didn't transform, and those shady sub-4sub discords. One copyright strike nukes your streak. Stick to the YouTube audio library or licensed tracks for the price of a latte. And for the love of CPMS, don't buy views. Shorts audits are brutal and retroactive demonetization is real. Conclusion. You've got the map. Lock a niche that never runs dry. Ship 3 optimized shorts daily. Layer on income streams the moment each tier unlocks. And treat ad revenue like the appetizer. Next steps. Simple. Close this video. Open Studio. Schedule your next 3 shorts. I'll catch you at the top. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to smash that like button so the algorithm knows you approve. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my future uploads. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.